Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your source for the latest AI-generated news on XRP, crypto, and precious metals. My 100% AI-generated news content is based on real-time events and is uploaded 1 to 4 times a day. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to our channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out my recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. Xrp New News Update. Several crypto market analysts have provided insights into the conditions that must be met before the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, considers approving a spot XRP ETF. The push for such an investment fund has intensified following the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs by the SEC. Townsend Lansing, CoinShares head of product, believes that an XRP ETF is unlikely until the SEC confirms that XRP is not classified as a security. Scott Johnson, general partner at Van Buren Capital, shares a similar sentiment, stating that the likelihood of approval is very slim, suggesting that a change in SEC leadership, possibly replacing Gary Gensler, may be necessary. Max Shannon, a research analyst at CoinShares, adds that the approval process for an XRP ETF could be prolonged, drawing parallels with the time it took for spot Bitcoin ETFs to gain approval. Bloomberg analyst James Safar also expressed skepticism about an imminent launch of an XRP ETF, indicating that he doesn't foresee it happening in the current year. Safar points to the SEC's ongoing case against Ripple as a significant factor, suggesting that resolution of the case is a prerequisite for the SEC to consider approving an XRP ETF. Safar previously argued that XRP's listing on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, CME, is a necessary step before the SEC would greenlight a spot XRP ETF. Reiterating this point in his recent comments, Safar hinted that the introduction of an XRP futures ETF could potentially strengthen the case for approval. Lansing emphasizes that the SEC's acknowledgement of XRP not being a security is crucial for any ETF approval. However, he notes that since the court has already ruled on XRP's non-security status, the SEC may exercise caution in using this as a basis for denial. Despite the ongoing legal proceedings involving the SEC and Ripple, the Commission recognizes that this should not be the sole determinant in deciding on an XRP ETF. A precedent set by Grayscale indicates that the SEC can be taken to court if its actions are deemed arbitrary and capricious. Safar suggests that the SEC could raise concerns about potential price manipulation as a reason for denying an XRP ETF, emphasizing the importance of XRP trading on a regulated platform like the CME, which could participate in surveillance sharing agreements to address such concerns. Xrp New News Update. Ripple is challenging the recent SEC filing in the ongoing legal dispute over XRP, focusing on what it claims is a factual mischaracterization that could sway the court's decision on the SEC's motion for additional discovery. In response, Ripple has penned a letter to Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn, seeking permission to file a SUR reply to correct the record. The SEC is pushing for access to Ripple's financial statements, post-complaint contracts, and details of XRP institutional sales. Ripple contends that this request is both burdensome and irrelevant to the case. The SEC argues that Ripple hasn't presented any valid reasons against producing post-complaint contracts, asserting that they are readily available. However, Ripple strongly disputes this, citing objections based on the request's excessive scope and the potential for a trial within a trial. The SEC claims Ripple provided all XRP sales contracts from 2020 to June 2023 in another lawsuit, but Ripple clarifies that they only submitted contracts predating the SEC's complaint in that case, filed on December 22, 2020. Pro-XRP attorney Bill Morgan has expressed disbelief at the alleged mischaracterization, raising concerns about the SEC's tactics and bolstering Ripple's claims of unfair treatment. This development has the potential to influence the court's decision in favor of the SEC, prompting Ripple to seek permission for a SUR reply to ensure accurate information guides the ruling. The SEC now faces heightened scrutiny over the accuracy of its claims. If the alleged mischaracterization is substantiated, it could tarnish the SEC's credibility and weaken its case against Ripple. Opinions on this development vary, with some seeing it as a potential turning point and others as a delay tactic by Ripple. Regardless, It introduces a new layer of complexity to the ongoing legal battle, keeping the crypto community eagerly awaiting the resolution. The ongoing tension between Ripple and the SEC underscores the fierce battle each side is waging to defend its position. The lawsuit's outcome holds significant implications for the entire crypto industry, establishing a precedent for future regulatory actions. The crypto world anxiously awaits the resolution of this high-stakes clash. Xrp New News Update. On January 24, the legal clash between Ripple Labs and the SEC intensified as Ripple strategically filed a motion for a SUR reply in response to the SEC's motion to compel, originally submitted on January 11. The focus of this legal maneuver revolves around the SEC's insistence on Ripple producing post-complaint contracts governing XRP's institutional sales and financial statements for the years 2022-23. Ripple countered the SEC's demands on January 19, leading to the current development of a SUR reply aimed at presenting additional arguments to persuade the court to reject the SEC's requirements. The decision now rests with Judge Torres, and if she grants Ripple's motion, it could potentially delay the court ruling on the SEC's motion to compel, possibly leading to oral arguments regarding the motions. The heart of the SEC versus Ripple case centers on allegations that Ripple violated Section 5 of the 1933 Securities Act by selling unregistered securities to institutional investors. A pivotal ruling in July by Judge Analisa Torres concluded that Ripple should have registered XRP as a security during these sales. As the case nears its conclusion, with the remedies-related discovery phase concluding by February 12, both the SEC and Ripple are preparing to file their respective remedy-related briefs. The SEC's filing deadline is March 13, followed by Ripple's reply by April 12, and the SEC's response to Ripple's brief by April 19. Following its loss to Ripple in the programmatic sales ruling, the SEC is likely to pursue a punitive penalty for Ripple's alleged securities law violation. The outcome for Ripple also hinges on broader interpretations of U.S. case law and potential SEC actions. Notably, the Supreme Court's decision in Morrison v. National Australia Bank limits the SEC's jurisdiction to sales of securities to U.S. institutional investors, potentially affecting the damages Ripple might face. If Ripple's total proceeds from sales to all institutional investors was $770 million, the penalty could be less than its legal expenses. However, the SEC's appeal plans against the programmatic sales decision could complicate matters further for Ripple, XRP. Against the backdrop of the ongoing legal battle with the SEC, Ripple's, XRP, market performance is experiencing fluctuations. Currently trading between its first support level at $0.51501 and first resistance level at $0.58287, XRP reflects a delicate balance in investor sentiment. Technical indicators collectively suggest that Ripple's, XRP, current market performance is under significant downward pressure. Xrp New News Update. Ripple, XRP, the native cryptocurrency of the Ripple payment network, has faced considerable challenges in sustaining significant price momentum. Having peaked at $1.96 in April 2021, Ripple, XRP, has experienced an 84.5% drop from its all-time high, currently trading at approximately $0.5254. The decline is largely attributed to Ripple's, XRP, high-profile legal battle with the SEC, prompting major trading platforms to delist the cryptocurrency and leading to a wave of sales by concerned investors. Despite these challenges, market observers foresee a potential breakout for XRP in the next 8 to 10 weeks, based on the token's price action over the past year. Attempts to break out from a symmetrical triangle formation have been met with difficulties in sustaining upward momentum. Despite ongoing struggles, XRP is exhibiting signs of a potential rally. The symmetrical triangle formation in XRP's price action suggests a forthcoming rally, expected in mid to late March, though specific price targets remain speculative. The coming weeks will be crucial as market shifts could lead to increased buying activity and a potential surge in XRP's value. The ongoing legal battle with the SEC continues to significantly influence XRP's market performance. Ripple recently filed a motion related to the SEC's motion to compel, focusing on post-complaint contracts governing XRP's institutional sales and financial statements for 2022-23. As the case approaches its conclusion, uncertainty remains regarding the outcome, with judges expected to review remedy briefs in the coming months. Intriguingly, recent whale activities have been observed in the XRP's market, with large token transfers totaling 269 million tokens. These movements by whales could indicate a shift in market sentiment and contribute to the anticipated price rally in February 2024. Given the current market conditions and factors influencing XRPs, a cautiously optimistic outlook is advisable. A favorable resolution of the legal battle with the SEC, combined with accurate technical indicators, could pave the way for a significant price increase for XRP. However, predicting the precise timing and extent of XRP's price surge remains complex, dependent on market sentiment, the resolution of the SEC lawsuit, and broader economic conditions. Xrp New News Update. There is a mixed sentiment within the XRP community regarding the short to long-term prospects of the digital currency. Despite a generally bearish trend in the broader crypto ecosystem, XRP has performed poorly compared to its counterparts. While the combined crypto market cap has experienced a 0.42% drop to $1.56 trillion, XRP has recorded a steeper loss of 0.85% in 24 hours, trading at $0.5129. A prominent community influencer, Crypto Rover, highlighted the extensive breakdown of XRP since at least the second quarter of 2021. According to Crypto Rover's chart, XRP has seen a significant decline from a high price of around $1.82 in mid-April 2021 to the current price of $0.5129. The coin appears to have been trading in a symmetrical triangle since then, with the price breaching the base of the triangle, potentially signaling a further plunge if unchecked. Community members have differing opinions on the interpretation of the charts, with some arguing that it's a subjective deduction, and multiple meanings can be inferred. XRP has faced criticism within the community for lagging even in periods where the general market sentiment favors growth. Despite its poor performance, many proponents continue to support the coin. Crypto Rover has previously suggested that XRP needs about 8 to 10 weeks for proper consolidation before experiencing its anticipated correction, although specific price targets are not provided. One notable trend in the negative slope of XRP's price is the defined bottom set along the way. The 51 cents price level is considered pivotal for the coin, often acting as a bounce-off zone during critical sell-offs. Analysts suggest that XRP needs to stay above 51 cents to avoid a steep drop to $0.34. Some believe that the ongoing market downturn could lead to a further drop to the range of 35 cents to 45 cents, seen as an attractive buy opportunity and potentially XRP's bottom price level. While bearish forces indicate the possibility of deeper falls, there is optimism that developments within XRP's ecosystem and any potential improvement in general market sentiment could prevent further bearish slides. Xrp New News Update. To allay concerns within the XRP community, Ripple's Chief Technology Officer, CTO, David Schwartz, recently addressed the incorporation of the Automated Market Maker, AMM, protocol into the XRP ledger. The proposed amendment has garnered 28 out of the required 35 votes, prompting discussions on its potential impact on the value of XRP. As of today, XRP is priced at 51 cents, reflecting a marginal decrease of 1 cent, 1.66%. Schwartz aimed to instill confidence in XRP holders by elucidating the strategic rationale behind the AMM protocol. He emphasized the objective of virtually eliminating the risk of users losing money. In essence, individuals providing liquidity receive special tokens from the AMM, designed to appreciate in value over time, even in the face of market volatility. While extolling the inherent stability offered by the AMM, Schwartz acknowledged potential downsides. Despite theoretically minimizing losses, users may not experience as much profit as they would by holding the underlying assets during periods of price surges. Additionally, the AMM does not guarantee a fixed profit, introducing uncertainties for those participating in liquidity provision. Schwartz underscored the positive aspects of the AMM, highlighting its ability to capitalize on market fluctuations to generate income and shield against value depreciation during market downturns. However, he also issued a caution about counterparty risk, flagging the challenges associated with exposure to at least two assets, including stable ones such as USD. David Schwartz's commitment to securing XRP holders' investments is evident in his efforts to mitigate potential value losses. Nonetheless, he remains cognizant of the risks inherent in market dynamics and potential challenges arising from the implementation of the new AMM system on the XRP ledger. As the amendment vote unfolds, the XRP community is closely monitoring developments, anticipating enhanced safety and resilience in trading. The successful implementation of the AMM protocol could be a significant milestone for XRP investors. It's crucial for XRP holders to recognize that while the AMM system reduces the likelihood of monetary losses, it does not guarantee substantial profits during market upswings. Maintaining stability and safeguarding against value losses is paramount, particularly in an unpredictable market environment. Schwartz's warnings regarding counterparty risks serve as a reminder for users to carefully consider the potential challenges associated with handling various assets. Despite the novelty of the AMM system as a financial approach, users are encouraged to weigh the pros and cons before making informed decisions. Xrp New News Update. Envision a world where your everyday transactions, such as buying a cup of coffee, are executed in a matter of seconds using officially sanctioned digital assets by the government. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, considered one of the most talked about real-world applications of blockchain technology, are currently undergoing trials in numerous countries worldwide. Ripple Labs, a prominent figure in efficient blockchain payments, is at the forefront of driving global CBDC adoption. Ripple Labs' CBDC offering distinguishes itself by aiming to be a comprehensive solution, providing governments with the tools necessary for deploying and maintaining a secure central bank digital currency. The Ripple CBDC platform utilizes XRP ledger technology, allowing financial authorities to establish private networks efficiently and at scale. The advantage of a private network lies in its ability to mitigate the risk of unexpected congestion while granting governing bodies control and authority. With 130 countries actively exploring CBDC solutions, Ripple has positioned itself as a leading contender in the market. Leveraging the efficiency of the XRP ledger, capable of processing transactions within seconds at a fraction of a penny, the Ripple CBDC platform offers an attractive option for governments. Additionally, the XRP ledger is recognized for its sustainability, consuming significantly less energy compared to proof-of-work blockchains like Bitcoin. The platform's features include straightforward mint and redemption functions, allowing users to convert on-chain funds to fiat currency and vice versa at a one-to-one rate. Notably, the Ripple CBDC platform's interoperability extends beyond local and domestic payment systems, integrating with an international network of other Ripple-based CBDCs. A fully integrated Ripple CBDC platform is anticipated to enhance financial inclusion rates, empowering end users to transact with government-approved digital currencies through blockchain-based wallets. However, the path to widespread CBDC adoption faces several challenges. The absence of consistent regulatory frameworks for CBDCs poses a significant barrier, given Ripple Labs and XRP's history with legal complexities. Education gaps regarding CBDCs and their functionalities may hinder user adoption, while privacy and security concerns, including programmed expiry dates for funds, add complexity. Furthermore, CBDCs, being inherently centralized, stand in contrast to the decentralized ethos of traditional cryptocurrencies, raising questions about user control and network governance. Ripple Labs, a major player in the CBDC landscape, is actively engaged in pilot programs with central banks worldwide, including Colombia, Bhutan, Palau, and Montenegro. While the Ripple CBDC platform boasts efficiency, trustworthiness, and the potential for financial inclusion, it faces challenges related to adoption barriers and privacy concerns. In summary, while the Ripple CBDC platform showcases promise, ongoing developments in regulatory frameworks and overcoming privacy challenges will play pivotal roles in shaping the future landscape of central bank digital currencies. Xrp New News Update. Several crypto market analysts have provided insights into the conditions that must be met before the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, considers approving a spot XRP ETF. The push for such an investment fund has intensified following the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs by the SEC. Townsend Lansing, CoinShares head of product, believes that an XRP ETF is unlikely until the SEC confirms that XRP is not classified as a security. Scott Johnson, general partner at Van Buren Capital, shares a similar sentiment, stating that the likelihood of approval is very slim, suggesting that a change in SEC leadership, possibly replacing Gary Gensler, may be necessary. Max Shannon, a research analyst at CoinShares, adds that the approval process for an XRP ETF could be prolonged, drawing parallels with the time it took for spot Bitcoin ETFs to gain approval. Bloomberg analyst James Safar also expressed skepticism about an imminent launch of an XRP ETF, indicating that he doesn't foresee it happening in the current year. Safar points to the SEC's ongoing case against Ripple as a significant factor, suggesting that resolution of the case is a prerequisite for the SEC to consider approving an XRP ETF. Safar previously argued that XRP's listing on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, CME, is a necessary step before the SEC would greenlight a spot XRP ETF. Reiterating this point in his recent comments, Safar hinted that the introduction of an XRP futures ETF could potentially strengthen the case for approval. Lansing emphasizes that the SEC's acknowledgement of XRP not being a security is crucial for any ETF approval. However, he notes that since the court has already ruled on XRP's non-security status, the SEC may exercise caution in using this as a basis for denial. Despite the ongoing legal proceedings involving the SEC and Ripple, the Commission recognizes that this should not be the sole determinant in deciding on an XRP ETF. A precedent set by Grayscale indicates that the SEC can be taken to court if its actions are deemed arbitrary and capricious. Safar suggests that the SEC could raise concerns about potential price manipulation as a reason for denying an XRP ETF, emphasizing the importance of XRP trading on a regulated platform like the CME, which could participate in surveillance sharing agreements to address such concerns. AI Precious Metals New News Update. Gold prices have risen following recent data indicating that the U.S. economy's growth exceeded expectations, coupled with lower than anticipated inflation rates. Currently, gold is trading at $2,022.21, marking an increase of $8.32. Silver prices have also seen a rise, with silver trading at $22.88, up by 22 cents. This completes the AI Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.